Hello everyone! In today's video we're going to show you what I've recently purchased from Mytheresa.com, and my husband will unbox this package for you. So here we go. Inside it comes with paperwork stating the address and everything, and then it has this hold on, what is this? Yes, a folder with some paperwork as well. A beautiful folder. I've seen it many times on YouTube, how girls unbox their package. And then there is a little thank you note. Oh, how nice of them. And it says that your package has been lovingly wrapped by Anna. Thank you, Anna. Next comes the box in a beautiful wrapping with Mytheresa written all over it, and a cute little what is it, open me sticker. Okay, go on. I am behind the camera while my husband is helping me to unbox it, so we thought that I'm a better operator than he is. So here's the unboxing part, unwrapping part, sorry. Now here we have a red recognizable Valentino box, and inside we have, well, basically we have a care instructions, yes, that's next, and then we probably have heel tips with a dust bag. Very good, well done, hubby. And then inside this tissue paper we have a pair of beautiful Valentino Rockstud kitten heel version shoes. I decided to get them in beautiful blush pink color. They're very much neutral. I would go with pretty much every outfit, and I think it's a classic. I don't know what you think. Was I too late to get them, or is it still all right? So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like the color, and if you were to get one, would you go for kitten heel version or the high heel version? And they also have flats, but I really like the channel of Chase Amy, and she suggested that kitten heel version is very much comfortable. She can wear them every day. So following her advice, I chose this pair for myself. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Put your thumbs up if this video was very helpful, and subscribe to my newly establishing channel. Bye. Kisses.